A fifth-generation Su-57 fighter jet will be designed in a two-seat modification to control a swarm of heavy Okhotnik combat drones, a defense industry source told TASS. In order to control advanced Okhotnik drones, a two-seat command variant of Su-57 will be created. The fighter jet, already in development, is presumed to control about 4 Okhotnik drones, the source said. As the press office of Russia's United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, earlier told TASS, the latest Okhotnik drone will strike aerial and ground targets in network-centric interaction with a Su-57 fighter. In their joint employment with the fifth-generation fighter, Okhotnik drones will deal with a full range of tasks, striking aerial and ground targets under the command of a Su-57's pilot. The Russian Defense Ministry and the Sukhoi Design Bureau are planning to develop another two-seat Su-57 fifth-generation fighter in its export configuration, Deputy Prime Minister Yuri Borisov said last month. There is interest in this aircraft and, in my view, it will grow with every passing year as our Russian army is supplied with this model. Foreign customers at first look at how a particular weapon of the Russian armed forces operates. The Defense Ministry and the Sukhoi Design Bureau have plans to develop a two-pilot aircraft that will boost the export demand. The Asia-Pacific region, Africa and Europe have shown interest in Russia's Su-57 fifth-generation fighter, CEO of the state arms seller Rosoboronexport, part of the state tech corporation Rostec, Alexander Mikheyev told TASS at the MAX 2021 International Air Show. Rosoboronexport is currently examining the requests for the Su-57 fifth-generation fighter from 5 countries of the Asia-Pacific region, Africa and Europe, the chief executive said. The Rosoboronexport chief said on July 20 that the Su-57 had triggered great interest, considering that a government contract had been signed for this fighter under Russia's state armament program. He also noted that there was fierce competition from U.S., European and Chinese companies on the world combat aircraft market. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a Russian-made fifth-generation multi-role fighter designated to destroy all types of air, ground and naval targets. The Su-57 fighter jet features stealth technology with the broad use of composite materials, is capable of developing supersonic cruising speed and is furnished with the most advanced onboard radio-electronic equipment, including a powerful onboard computer, the so-called electronic second pilot, the radar system spread across its body and some other innovations, in particular, armament placed inside its fuselage. The Russian armed forces received the first Su-57 fighter in 2020. The Okhotnik heavy attack drone performed its debut flight on August 3, 2019. The flight lasted over 20 minutes under an operator's control. On September 27, 2019, the Okhotnik performed a flight together with a Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet. The drone maneuvered in the air in the automated mode at an altitude of around 1,600 meters and its flight lasted over 30 minutes. The serial deliveries of Okhotnik heavy strike drones to the Russian troops are scheduled to begin from 2024. If you like our podcasts and you want to support the work we are doing, check out our Patreon page at the link in the description and become a patron beginning from as little as €2 a month.